Here are 6 health benefits of water kefir. 1. More potent probiotic than yogurt. Those who want to boost their beneficial bacteria counts often turn to yogurt, but they should consider trying water kefir instead. Kefir grains contain about 40 strains of yeasts and bacteria, and these microorganisms can aid digestion and improve your weight management and mental health, as well as many other health conditions. 2. Boosts immunity. If you're looking to reinforce your immune system, water kefir might be the right option. The drink contains a myriad of nutrients like biotin and folate that rev up the immune system and protect your cells. 3. Heals skin. The digestive system is at the center of your immune system, so it's not uncommon for seemingly unrelated health problems to be connected to your gut. This means that skin problems like acne and eczema are often linked to disruptions in the natural balance of your gut bacteria. 5. Potent antibacterial properties. 6. Helps with digestive problems. The probiotics in kefir bring balance to your digestive system, which is why they can be effective for eradicating intestinal problems like diarrhea.